10:27. I don't have much to do today, so I'll get up, make some coffee, and go for a long bath. Beef brother isn't home today either, so it's just me. I want to juice some lychees today. Get some lychees, give them a quick rinse, because I can only open them with my mouth. Start peeling, it's quick to bite them open, and remove the pits too. The last one. Okay, done. This much is enough. Start juicing. Add some ice cubes. Refreshing. Okay, put the lychees in. Go. Fruit and vegetable juice. Start. It's stuck. Push the pulp down. That's good. Okay, all done. Filter it. A full glass of pure lychee juice. Make coffee. Get some beans. Catch the grounds.
OK， 啊，找你，来一点荔枝果啊，咖啡，尝一下，太好喝了，全加进去不能浪费，把地擦了。OK。OK， 收拾下去洗澡的东西，今天不在家吃饭，今天还是拿这个大包方便。那边有游泳池，拿个泳衣。
Okay, here we go. It's acting up again.
身体磨砂膏和身体乳，拿2个脱。
Add a little lychee fruit. Ah, so stubborn. You must have been a donkey in your past life. Coffee. Take a sip. Super, super delicious. So good. Add it all in. Can't waste it. Mop the floor.
对，下午走吧。
Okay.
啊，一会儿见。11点半我收拾。
Take it to wash.
开灯。
Okay, pack up the things for the bath. Not eating at home today. It's more convenient to use this big bag today. There's a swimming pool there. Take a swimsuit, swim cap and goggles. Makeup remover wipes to take off sunscreen later. Body scrub and body lotion. Take 2 wash-off masks. Spray. I always bring my own comb. And then bring a hair tie. Spare battery. Phone stand. Take it with me later. Ask my friend if they want to go. Hey. Do you want to go for a bath? Huh? Right now? Yes, this afternoon. Let's go. Ah, see you in a bit. It's 11:30. I'm packing up and heading out. Turn on the lights. I always brush my teeth after drinking coffee. There's eye booger stuck on my eyelashes. Things haven't been going well lately. People who have nothing to do with me show up, just to give me a hard time. Apply some sunscreen. Need to apply it since I'll be driving in the sun. Change clothes and head out. Wearing a little yellow dress today. Wearing pants underneath just in case. Afraid of exposing too much. That's it. Ta-da. On me. It looks like this. It's very convenient to dress in the summer. Let's go. Turn off the TV. Heading out. Still wearing flip-flops. 12:12. Heading out. Just in time to go over for lunch. A meal that won't be a loss. Beef brother said he booked a flight to come back today. Won't see him later anyway. Because I'm going out to have fun today. Who is handing me a small card? Driving there today. The weather is quite nice today. Since you didn't do anything wrong. Why are you still ignoring me? 12:49. Arrived. Oh, thank you. Thought the service would be great because the place is nice. But it's all fake. I only asked because she was leaving from the office. Why did you come in your pajamas? This old money style of mine. Wow. Really inexplicable. Why'd I need to show my account? I'm a paying customer, not here to review the shop. Exactly. Change shoes. Change clothes. The pool is so big. Let's go up and eat first. Sit here. A bunch of uncut fruit laid out. Ask him to help me cut a mango. Get some scampi. Told me there was pre-cut stuff. Get some scampi. Get 2 desserts. Unbelievable. I thought someone gave me their leftovers. Who would have thought this is a 1,000 yuan bathhouse? Very disappointing. The service is hard to describe. Never coming back again. 2 out of 10 are tasty. Grab a bite. Why does what I'm eating taste like a dishcloth? Smell it again.
5:50
Really?
我们来吃晚饭。没有，编好了。
2:05. Full now.
榴莲
So gross.
这是什么？
Let's find a cubicle to take a nap.
份。
Rest for a while. The sky outside is so overcast. Everyone watch a movie for a bit. We'll go swimming later. The air conditioning is very hot. We both felt dizzy. 3:10. Let's go down and change into swimsuits. My children's swimsuit. Take a bath towel. Wow, not bad. Want to try paddleboarding? Slow down. Let's go. Feeling super energetic after a nap. It's a race. Let's see who gets there first. I'm first. Not playing anymore, just swimming for a bit. Still can't figure out how to breathe. Swam 5 laps. It's so quiet, it feels like it's just us. Water got in my ear. I got water in my ear. The internet says bumping your head on a pillow works. Wow, look at those long legs of yours. Thank you, my friend. Take a look at this. It's sunny right now. And then it will suddenly rain. If the apocalypse came, which one would you choose? As your shelter. Peefed, PFFT. Water went in when I started talking. Oh my god. Who is taking photos? How can you take photos like this? After playing, go for a sweat steam. What's the temperature? Oh, quite high. That's enough. I'll be cooked soon. Wash the swimsuits. Take them to be dried. Take a bath. Afraid that I might see. All washed.
第二天，
This is okay. This scent is so fragrant.
洗好了，
Blow dried.
拿一块干的把它全部擦干。
It's too stuffy inside. Let's go sit outside for a while. Wow, there's a small lake here too. Ha ha ha. I was saying I was going to swim until I got lost. Let's go. My bag cost several thousand yuan too. I did bring all the important things. 5:50. Let's have dinner. Didn't order
一包
yet.
豆腐沙，再拿一包木薯
Thank
沙
you. Take 2 durians. It's better in the evening. My mood is slightly better. What is this? A soup
一个印
base.
度手作，
Snow beef
冻
soup.
干
2 portions. Thank you. 1 slice per portion. Open
当然
one.
就在这儿吃饭，别跑错了哈。
Order these
把
for
吉
dinner.
速达的这箱黑狮拿进来。
The soft-shelled turtle and spicy stir-fried beef are the best. The lady is serving the food. Oh my god.
尝一
The
下。
picture is 10 times bigger than this. Your dishes are all served.
嗯，
Hungry after all that fuss.
果汁味
Feels
很
like the
浓
evening
包牛
food
肉
is better.
饿了有。
Not a compliment. Ha ha
好
ha.
幸福。
Originally
那
planned to
先睡觉了
stay until
今天到
night.
这儿了晚安啦。
Planning to leave after